Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a line or divider section to your Kajabi page. This is a simple yet effective way to create visual separation between content blocks on your website, making your pages look cleaner and more organized. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open your Kajabi site by heading to your Kajabi login page and signing in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, open your website editor for the site where you want to add the divider. If you're using a custom domain, simply navigate there after signing in to access your editor. Next, navigate to the website section located in the left-hand menu. Click on it and you'll see an expanded menu appear with several options. From these options, select Website Pages. This is where all your site pages are stored and managed. Under Website Pages, you'll be presented with a complete list of all the pages you've created in your Kajabi account. Browse through this list and select the specific page or template where you want to add your divider line. Click on it and you'll be taken directly to the website editor page for that particular page. Now look at the left side menu in the website editor. This menu is your control center for adding objects and elements to fully customize your website to suit your brand and preferences. Here's where the magic happens. On that left side menu, you'll see an option named Add Section. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Add Section menu. At the top of this menu, you'll notice a search bar. Type in Custom Section, and on the right side of the Custom Section option, click the Add button. This adds a flexible section that you can transform into your divider. Now that the custom section has been added, you can freely drag it onto your web page and position it exactly where you need the divider. Once it's in position, click on it to open the Custom Section Customization menu. First, select the option named Background and set the color that fits your theme or brand. For this tutorial, we'll use red for easier visibility as we work through the settings. Once you've selected your color, you'll see the background color appear on the section you just placed. Now click on the option named Desktop Layout. In this section, look for the section padding menu. You'll see directional parameters with numbers. Set the L or left to 0 and the R or right to 0. Then set the bottom from 100 to 0. You'll start to see the section transform into a divider. Now focus on the T or top parameter. Start from 1 and gradually increase the number based on your preferred thickness for the divider. This gives you complete control over how prominent your divider appears. Once you're satisfied with how your divider looks, click the Save button at the top right of your screen and you're all set. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.